Welcome to our lesson about work axes. Let's begin by activating the Work Axis tool. I can select 2 points by which to create an axis, for example. Let's undo, and now let's look at some of the sub-options under the Work Axis tool. There's quite a few. The first option is On Line or Edge. Let's select an edge. And here's my axis. It appears in the graphic area, and it also appears in the tree, Work Axis 1. Let's undo that. Another option is Parallel to Line through a point. We need to select a point and a line. And here's our axis. Undo. Next option, Through 2 points. Let's select our points, 1 and 2, and here's our axis. Let's undo that as well. The next option is the intersection of 2 planes. I'm going to select this planar face and this planar face, and here's our axis. Let's undo again. Next option, Normal to Plane through Point. Let's select this plane and this point, and here's our axis. Let's undo. Next, we've got Through Center of Circular or Elliptical Edge. Let's select this edge, and here's our axis. Let's undo. Last option, Through Revolved Face or Feature. Let's select this face, and let me bring in Revolution 1. Go to the tree, right-click, Unsuppress Feature. Through Revolved Face or Feature. And let's select the torus now. Here's our new axis. This concludes our lesson about creating work axes.